Continuation to our report. So my tackle is all about Reynolds system. Reynolds system is difficult to observe in some bivalves, but is evident in such species as scallop, where the two kidneys are two small brown sac-like body and leaf-planted against the anterior part in the adductor muscles. So kidney. This Kidney-prepared organs are attached to the anterior margin of the scallop adductor muscle. They open internally into the pericardial cavities and externally into the common orogenital pore. So, pericardial glands. The numerous small glands line and pericardiomere and auricles the heart. They act the additional ultrafiltration device. Auricular glands. These glands are on the principal excretory organ of the scallop. So, reproductive system. Scallop reproduce through swappening, which is when they release eggs and sperm into the water. So, reproductive, dili naman sa reproduce ang mga eggs through swapping. So, gonad. Scallops have a large reproductive organ called the roux, which is contain eggs, sperm. And females, the roux is orange while the male is white. So, swampening. Scallop typically spawn in late summer and early autumn, but may also spawn in spring. So, ang scallop swappening mani kung tig summer kag gakuan man gaswam man kung during autumn and also during spring. So fertilization, males release spermato and the eggs which are then fertilized. Larval development. Fertilized egg develop into larvae called villigers, which is drift in the water for 10 to 14 days. So, ang larval development, amo naman sila ang ga-fertilize ng egg kag gina-develop nga larvae na ginatawag nga villigers kag drift sa tubig halin 10 to 14 days. Settlement. So, to settlement, the larvae settle on the ocean floor and attach the object using basal threads. So, growth. Scallop grow rapidly in the first few years, reaching commercial size at about 4 to 5 years old. Lifespan. Some scallop can live for over 20 years. So, ang scallop gakabuhi sa sulod sang 20 years. So, respiratory system. Scallops, like other bivalve mollusks, breathe using gills in their mantle cavity to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with water. So, outer mantle. Outer mantle is a thin fleshy layer in lines the inside of the scallop shell. It's responsible to secretly the shell material, which is primarily calcium carbonate. So, ang scallop mantle, amo na sa di ang may bilog ni balahong nga daw may mga black. Amo na sa ang outer mantle. So, gills. The gills are feather-like organs located within the scallop mantle cavity. They are responsible for flirting food from the water. So, ang gills naman, amo ni siyang daw orange ni balaay nga daw kita nyo nang sa scallop nga daw buhok na sa or ginatawag nga hasang. Mana sa ang gill. So, gonad. Gonad is located within the scallop body and its color can indicate the sex of the scallop. Red gonads indicate the female while white gonads indicate to male. So, ang gonals naman, amo ni sa ay, ang daw, ano ni balahon, daw red, orange kag white, amo na sa ang gonals. So, ang white ko no, represent nga male, din ang orange is female. So, adductor muscle. Adductor muscle are powerful muscle that control the opening and closing of the scallop shell. So, ang adductor muscle, amo ni sa ang unod ka scallop. So, amo ni sa ang gakwan kung ang ga daw gakwan nga mag-close kag open ka scallop. So, hepatopancreas. Hepatopancreas is a large complex organ that serve as both a liver and pancreas. It is responsible for digesting foods, storing energy, and floating waste product. So, ang hepatopancreas, amo ni sa ang so, skeletal system, the anterior wings in the part of the scallops. It is a large of proment of the two valves, and also located on the side where the scallops hanging is situated. The rhizolium is a through elastic ligament that connect the two valves of the scallop shells. It acts like a spring and helps to keep the shell open when the scallop is not closed. So, ligament is a band of tissues that attach to the rhizolium and help to control helps to control the open and closing of the shell. The ligament is a strong and flexible, allowing the scallop to open its shells quickly when it needs to escape a predator or filter food. So, mo ni sa ang anterior wing, ang daw ang kwan niya na bala sa scallops. And then ang rhizolium, amo ni sa ang daw itom. Ang hingi, amo ni sa ang shell. Then ang ligament, amo ni sa ang daw kurit na da sa scallop. Ang sa babaw yan, di bala ko. Nan. Then ang hingi is the joint that connects the two valves of the scallop shell. It is located in the dorsal sides of the shell and is covered by a through protect layer. Nan, amo ni sa ang shell yagid, ang protect yagid na bala. Amo sang hingi. So, that's all. Thank you. Thank you.